win-lose pack, and we get lucky. Only illustration I haven't pulled is Wheezing and Hondo. But we want Cynthia's Garchomp, Nidorino, Kangaskhan, Drowsy, Cyndaquil, should have been in the Send Heroes in that pin collection box instead of that Tepic. He wrote him, and behind the first reverse is a Staryu. Typhlosion. Reminds me that there's staff cards that you need to collect in order to complete a Grandmaster set of Destined Rivals. This should have been an illustration for Staryu. If not in this set, it should have been in perfect order. Stay blazing.